everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I just want to share, I got some friend mail. My friend Renee ordered this Stamperia paper for me. It's Sir Vagabond, because I was telling her I wanted, but so she got this for me, and there he is, Sir Vagabond. And he goes with, he's from Stamperia. He has a whole paper set called Sir Vagabond, and I'm waiting for mine to come in, and it goes with my Stamperia Lady Vagabond. So she got that for me, along with a clock, because she knows how I feel about clocks. And I thought there was something else in the box. Wait a minute, let me see the box. Oh, there is something else in the box. Okay. And she got me these Blue Fern Studio keys. So she gave me the Blue Fern Studios clock and the Blue Fern Studio keys. These are just gorgeous keys. I like them. I'm going to have to find something to put those on. And also my ephemera from Lady Vagabond came in. So I want to share that with you. So it's the Lady Vagabond die cuts. Because remember, I got the paper a while back. And so I also then I ordered the die cuts. So I'll show you what comes in the die cuts. And you can get the die cuts even if you don't want to, get the paper. But the paper is gorgeous. And I'll link my video that shows you the paper. So you get, let your dreams be your compass. Get a nice lock. Message in a bottle. Another lock. Keys, lock. Oh, you know how I am about a clock. And this is Lady Vagabond's traveling machine, her time machine that she travels in. Another clock, more keys, wording, escape the ordinary, journey through steampunk into the future. Another clock. Here is Lady Vagabond. That's how she looks. Here's another Lady Vagabond. That's how she looks. She's kind of cool. She's cool looking. This is her trunk. Leave the road, take the trails. This is a London doorway. These are her steampunk glasses. I think sometimes I think the cat wears these. She has a cat. Wait a minute. There he is. She has the cat, and the cat wears those glasses. So that's her pet. More clocks. There is in all artists a little of a vagabond. That's pretty cool. That's a lock. More keys, locks. Let's find some beautiful place to get lost. That's cool. All journeys have secret destinations of which the traveler is unaware. That's cool. More trunks. Amazing. These are her suitcases. The only impossible journey is the one that never begins. I believe that. Oh, love this. It's full of clocks. I love it. The world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. I'm a reader, so that does it too. More clocks. Voyage to the new frontier. Let the future arrive one day at a time. And more clocks and findings. So those are the die cuts from Lady Vagabond. And that's all I have to show you in this. Oh, wait. I got one more thing to show you. I have a project share too. I always have a project share at the end. I'm still waiting for my stuff before I do that. This year, I told you I was going to get back into my mixed media. So I joined the Mike Deakin art.com, but it's Mission Inspiration, and the leader of it is Mike Deakin. And he does a mixed media thing, and he gives you the prompts, and this is the prompts, and you get one for every month. And I wanted to get back into it. And so in order to do that, I'll give a down at the bottom, I'll give you his link to, in case you want to join and have prompts to help you with get back into your mixed media. So I had to make a book to put my mixed media monthly things in. So I made this book, and I used that paper. Remember that paper I hauled? I mean, not paper, the material that I hauled from Tuesday morning. I used some of that. I used one of Tim Holtz's things here. I got the Enjoy the Journey. I think that's Tim Holtz's too. And then I just made the book so I made a pocket here, and the rest are just empty pages so I can put my monthly things in, my monthly pages for my art journaling. So I joined that group. And then the other group that I joined, Kat Hand does a group, and her group is a mixed media collage type thing. And her group, and I'll hook her group down there too, is mixed media Morsels. And what she does in this year, what she's doing in 2021, is every month she'll tell you a color, and then you have to do a collage spread of using just that color. And so I thought that was going to be fun, so I joined that group also, and I want to do that. So I have 2 mixed media things to make sure I get back into what I'm doing every month. And so I made my book of colors, and this is my book. I made it. And the first color that we use, ooh, it got bent right there. The first color that we had is red. So this is my first spread for that group, red. And that's the first color that we're using is red. So I'm looking forward to getting back into my mixed media and my collaging and all that stuff, and using the colors and finding out what color she selects each month. And I'll hook that group down there to you in case you want to join something that's fun. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. I'll do my pages that I do in the Mike Deakin Missing Inspiration. I'll do those on camera. The colors, I may do those on camera, so it all depends on how good I get with these things. But I'll see you in the next video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'll talk to you soon, and be the reason somebody smiles. If you're just stopping by the channel, press that subscribe button and subscribe. We got a lot of stuff going on here in 2021, so I'll see you then. Bye, everyone.